Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to remove NIN from OPay account. Now, it appears that once NIN, that's your national identity number, is linked to an OPay account, there is no in-app option to remove it manually. This is likely due to Nigerian regulatory requirements which mandates secure storage of identity information for financial services. So I'm going to show you why you can't just remove it within the app. Number one, KYC compliance. OPay, like other regulated financial platforms, must ensure that each user's identity is verified and maintained in its system. Two, security and audit trials. Allowing users to remove KYC-linked NINs freely could undermine regulatory trust frameworks and data integrity. Number three, no remove NIN in settings. A quick walkthrough confirms that there is no toggle, button, or menu to unlink your NIN within the latest version of the OPay app. If you want to walk through it, just go ahead and click here. You see, there is no toggle that allows for that. Now, how you can proceed, or how can you proceed to remove or update a NIN? Now, if you truly need to remove or update your NIN on the app, I'm going to walk you through some supported options. Number one, contact OPay customer support. You need to get in touch with them directly to request NIN removal. Here are the steps to follow. Open the OPay app and go ahead and click on me at the bottom right corner and click on Customer Service Center. Once you click on Customer Service Center, just go ahead and follow the prompt to submit a request. Or you can even reach out to them via live chat. Here, average response times 1 to 2 minutes, and let them know that you want to unlink your NIN. Of course, you have to explain why you want the NIN removed. For example, it could be privacy concern or wrong name input. Also, include your email or phone number linked to the account, screenshot to your current name in the account or KYC section, and a statement like, I request removal of my NIN from my OPay account due to your reason. Then send. Once you send, let's wait for the response. Alternatively, you might be able to email them. So check the app help section or OPay website for official support, email, and just use the same format that I have shown you. Attach any supporting screenshot. So they should confirm your receipt and may request identity proof to ensure it's your account. So OPay support will also advise if removal is approved, they will unlink your name or request a new one. If not allowed, they will explain why. So be prepared to temporarily lose some features until the NIN situation is resolved. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, begin to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.